Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing these nail tips I got off of Amazon. It came with some glitter in that cuticle pusher or whatever. They are just stilettos and I'm putting them in my old dual form box, so yeah. You get 2 of the 4s and 2 of the 5s, but everything else is just singular. I didn't notice any sizing being off or anything, and there were so many I couldn't even fill up the whole thing. I did have to use the other 3 slots to put the rest in. I prepped the nails onto my practice hand. I'm still not good at using it. I just wanted to test them out and I couldn't do it on myself because I just painted my nails the other day and I love this color too much to take it off. I didn't put on a base coat or anything. I'm just going straight in with some pink because I did also want to try out the glitters. I ended up not really liking the glitters. They kind of didn't look that good. I feel like maybe if you used acrylic or something on top it would look better, but I don't know. The glitters just weren't for me. I used that cuticle tool and just scoop the glitter on. I also tapped the excess off, and that's basically it. I cure it under my lamp for about 30 seconds, and then I go in and try and dust off the other glitters. Probably wouldn't want to do this again just because some of the glitters did come off in chunks, but I think you're better off just shaking the nail instead of taking an actual brush and brushing off the extra glitter. I go in with a base coat on top just to kind of set all the glitter in before I put some clear polygel on it. For the next nail, I'm using some black, and I'm going to be using the black glitter. I've never used black glitter before, the fine glitter on nails. I also really didn't like this one. The pinky nail was kind of messed up, but the pinky nail just gave me too many problems, and I did not want to deal with it after. This is my second time actually doing nails on the practice hand, and I think it looks better than last time. These little things are so tiny, they were so hard to open. I did another nail off camera and I opened up the glitter upside down, doing the same exact thing where I put it on, shake it off, cure it, put a base coat, and then cure the base coat. Here are the nails. I'm using some clear polygel. You can see the different tube in the right here, but I had another one that was almost empty, so I wasn't just gonna throw it away. I was gonna squeeze out as much as I could. I'm gonna show you how I move it around the nail, and then when it comes to the next 3 nails, I'm just gonna give you a little bit of each clip because I'm already doing it here, and I'm sure you don't want to sit through probably 10 minutes of me moving Polygel around. Also, I should mention that since I am just doing like a practice hand and I'm not actually doing it on myself or anyone, I'm not like worried about building up an apex. I'm just kind of encapsulating because I don't want to waste that much product on nails that I'm not going to wear or that nobody else is going to wear. So they look really thin and like flat, which is intentional for this set just because I didn't want to waste any product. After I cure everything, I'm gonna start filing. I'm just gonna show you one nail that I file because it's basically the same for everyone. But I start off by shaping out the sides, or like debulking the sides so you can get like the shape back. And then after that I go in with like an e-file, and I just kind of go back and forth between my hand file and e-file to just shape everything out to make it smooth. I feel like the filing's kind of messy and bumpy this time on this set. It was kind of, I don't know, it's just like weird filing something else. I'm so used to doing my own hands, but trying to get the hang of filing another finger, I guess. So they don't look perfect in the end, and I don't know, I don't really like the set. I do love the nail tips though. They are pretty flimsy, but they didn't break at all while I was putting stuff on, filing it even before, and I think they're really nice. I don't know about the glitter, but the nail tips are really good, and I think they were only like $8 or $9, which is pretty cheap, and you get so many of them. I think it's like 500 pieces. Here's them after. I end up putting a top coat on them. The nails are like falling out, so it's kind of hard to file when they're slipping out of the cuticle or whatever. But they didn't turn out that bad. Not as bad as my other set that I did on the little hand, but that's that. This clip's kind of foggy. I don't know why. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everyone's having a great day or a great night, and I'll see you guys next time.